O-Level English, Paper 2, Non-Narrative Passage. The Merlion, Singapore's iconic symbol. Before we begin our reading lesson, please pause the video to read the comprehension text. The Merlion, a mythical creature with the head of a lion and the body of a fish, is one of Singapore's most recognizable symbols. Since its creation in 1964, it has become a national icon, representing the country's history, cultural diversity, and aspirations. From its historical roots to modern-day debates about its relevance, the Merlion's story offers insights into Singapore's evolving identity. The Merlion was designed in 1964 by the Singapore Tourism Board as a logo to promote tourism. Sculptor Lim Nan Sing brought the concept to life, and the first statue was unveiled in 1972 at the mouth of the Singapore River. The creature's name combines mer, meaning sea, and lion, reflecting Singapore's maritime roots, and its original Malay name, Singapura, Lion City. According to legend, a Sumatran prince spotted a lion on the island in the 13th century, an encounter that inspired the name. The Merlion's design holds deep symbolic meaning. The lion head signifies strength, courage, and Singapore's ties to its Lion City legend. The fish body represents the nation's humble beginnings as a fishing village and its dependence on the sea for survival. Standing 8.6 meters tall, the original statue was crafted from cement and later reinforced with bronze. Water spouting from its mouth symbolizes life and prosperity, a nod to Singapore's transformation into a thriving global port. For decades, the Merlion has been a source of national pride. It features prominently in souvenirs, postcards, and cultural events, embodying Singapore's blend of tradition and modernity. The Merlion Park, home to two statues, the original and a smaller Merlion Cup, attracts millions of visitors annually. Locals and tourists alike view the icon as a must-see landmark, often comparing it to global symbols like the Eiffel Tower or Statue of Liberty. In 2019, the Merlion made headlines when its original statue was relocated due to construction of the Marina Bay Sands Complex. This move sparked debates about preserving heritage amid rapid urbanization. Critics argued that displacing the statue weakened its historical connection to the Singapore River, while supporters highlighted the need for progress. Additionally, younger generations have questioned the Merlion's relevance in a tech-driven era, with some calling for new symbols that reflect innovation. Despite these debates, the Merlion remains a cherished emblem. The government has preserved both statues, integrating them into Singapore's urban landscape. Educational campaigns emphasize its historical value, ensuring younger citizens understand its significance. Meanwhile, the STB continues to use the Merlion in global marketing, proving its enduring appeal. As Singapore evolves, the Merlion serves as a reminder of the nation's resilience and unique identity. Mythical, imaginary, from legends or stories. In this phrase, it means the Merlion is an imaginary animal from stories. Recognizable, it means easy to identify. Symbols, things that represent ideas or places. The phrase means things that people easily link to Singapore. Icon is a famous symbol everyone knows. Cultural, related to traditions and people. Diversity means there are many different types. The phrase cultural diversity means that many cultures living together. Debates are discussions where people share different opinions. Relevance has two meanings. Commonly, it means the importance. In this passage, it means the connection to today. Offers means gives. Insights means deep understanding. The phrase offers insights means the Merlion story helps us to understand the Merlion better. Logo is a picture or symbol for a brand or group. The phrase promote tourism. The word promote means to encourage. Tourism are travels for holidays. The phrase basically means encouraging people to visit Singapore. Concept means idea. To life means to make the idea real. The phrase brought the concept to life means turn the idea into a real statue of Merlion. Inspired means gave the idea. The phrase inspired the name basically means the encounter of the Sumatran prince led to the name Merlion. The word holds in the phrase means has. Symbolic meaning represents important ideas. The phrase holds deep symbolic meaning has the meaning of the design of Merlion has very important hidden messages. Signifies means it represents something. The word dependence means needing something. The phrase dependence on the sea means that Singapore in the past needed the sea to survive. Source is a place where something comes from. National pride, feeling proud of your country. The phrase source of national pride means the Merlion makes Singaporeans proud. Prominently means being shown in a very noticeable way. Cherished means to be loved and valued. Emblem is a symbol. The phrase cherished emblem means a beloved symbol of Singapore. Preserved is to be protected and kept safe. Educational means teaching. Campaigns are planned activities. The phrase educational campaigns are activities to teach people. Significance means importance. We have come to the end of the video. Please proceed to learn how to answer the comprehension questions.